We got pick of the week. We got some Nike Zoom Gravity, and colorway is a black anthracite metallic Peter. This one's really cool. Oh, nice, good looking shoe though. 49 or 50, but they don't have additional discount. But the price is not bad at all. Nice one in here. Nike Zoom Vomero 5SP. Nice, good looking running shoes, and they are selling for $54.97 with the additional 20. Look at this one. We got some kind of Nike ID, I'm not sure, but this one, Nike Air Max 90 NRG. Nice Air Max. A lot of different design or something. Let's check this out. Price went down on this Jordan Proto React black and white. They are 69 or 70 bucks. They also got the same price on the green colorway or the black and green colorway. It's 70 bucks. But the black and red colorway, this one is different. Jordan Proto Max 720 and selling for 89. No additional discount though. Some Air Jordan Legacy 312 low $59.99. This one is also the same $59, but that one is different color, and the high tops is $59 also, same, no additional discount. This one is the black fire and red. Check this out. Also we got Jordan Max Aura, simple white and black metallic for 70 bucks also. What do you feel with the Mamba Rage, the Grinch? Good one for Christmas. As you can see, the Grinch colorway. Well, if it's price $49.97 with the additional 30, I'll take one, but 70 bucks, pass. Still expensive, 59. Jordan Legacy low 312. Same with the Jordan High double $64.97. No additional discount. This one, Jordan Jump Man Team 2, not bad, 80 bucks, but no additional discount. So we got another good one, Nike ACG Rock Coleridge. Colorway is black and gold detail, 70 bucks with the additional 20. How about this one? We got Okantu $54.97 with the additional 20%. Not bad. And how about this one, Nike D-Break SP, same at the other outlet, 60 bucks with the additional 20. That one is also for dad shoe, 40 bucks with the additional 20. Also we got the Nike React Element 55 in Spruce Aura Bolt colorway, much more cheaper, 70 bucks with the additional 20. How about Air Max 270 SE colorway, the white Spirit Teal Night and Shade for 90 bucks with the additional 20. Oh, take a look at that one, Air Max Torch 3, 60 with the additional 20. Anyone's interested in Nike Air Max 270 React 270 and React for 90 bucks with additional 20. Colorway is too bright and I don't like it. How about the $99.99 with additional 20? Same Nike Air Max React and 270 price with the additional 20. This one's much better, Air Max 270 React blue void. with the React, and 270 bubble right there, 89 with a 20%. Still in Air Max, we got the Air Max 2017 100 with additional 20%. We got the pure platinum gray white. Also we got a wolf gray pure platinum. This one is much better though, nice color. I like that one better with the additional 20. Get one. So we are in women's section. Got some heat here. Women's Air Jordan 1 low relief. I don't know how to say that one, but it is $60 with the additional 20. Some kind river rock snake skin, not sure, but not bad for 60. This one is much more cheaper though, $40 with additional 20. We got some Nike Air Jordan 1 Revel X or 2X, $40 with additional 20. Hey, why not? How about this one? Women's Classic Cortex Leather for $50 with additional 20. Nice and very simple classic Cortex shoe for very cheap price. What is this? Nike Air Max D, $50 with additional 20. Not sure what kind of sneaker they did on this one. Horrible. Another horrible ones. Nike Air Max Fly 50 with additional 20. Okay, now we're talking. Nike React Element 55, $60 with the additional 20%. Nice colorway, black university in red. We got the full size front. Hey, come and get it. $60 with additional 20. So Joyride they're already in the outlet. They flooded again. Some Joyride, another Joyride, and another Joyride. Most of them 100 with the additional 20. Okay, another good hit. $80 with 20. We got the Air Max 720 colorway life soft pink gym and red. Nice colorway, good for summer. Would love to have those and give it as a gift probably. And how about this one? Nike Air Max 270 React, $70 with the additional 20% off. Checking out the comps. This one good for resale, selling for 100 or 110. Not bad. Okay, we're in kids section. We got some good ones here. Running shoes, $60 with the additional 20%. If this one is in men's section, I'll tap them. Also, this one is $70 with the additional 20. Nice colorway also for kids. Another one also in kids section, Epic React 22Gs, $70 with additional 20. Now we are talking here in the kids section. We got some J's, Jordan A Retro Kids, and colorway is the black light Concord Aulo. Would love to have this in the collection for my size though. Don't have it on this one yet. J. We got the Jordan 3 Retro. We got the Chlorophyll. So I already got me one of this. It's my first one on the collection, so I beat up one of my Jordan 3 already. Not a good one for kids. We got the Jordan 6, 17 and 23. A combination of Jordan 6, Jordan 17 and 23. Wow, that's a good one for kids, and selling for $80 with the additional 20. And see, this one goes on the high shoulder, the Puma Sport, $70 on the Air Jordan 8 Retro, the Frozen. Not bad. This Nike Air Max 90 QS still sitting right here, and they are in smaller sizes though. And they are selling for $54.99 with additional 20%. Fun. Air Force One premium. Look at that one. It's a size 12, but it's gonna be good on my size because equivalent to a size 12 is size 10 and a half. So but this one is 70 bucks in metallic red bronze particles. Now no. Okay, that's about it. This is gonna take it home. Only 3 bags though, not much going on, and that's all I can find really good.